Okay, so we're going to create again the template. So go to the template editor and then create new graphical template again. This time, this is for the material list. So like what we do in graphical template, so we put the margin as 0. And then we are going to insert the row. And since we're talking about the material list, and this material list is all about part. Okay, it's not a assembly. It's not an assembly part list, but it's only a material list. So meaning it's only part. So we're going to use the content type as part only this part. Okay, and then inside this part, we're going to insert now the BOM DWG file. Sorry, insert file, and then go to your model or from your desktop. So here, oh sorry, not this one, but yeah, this one, BOM DWG, and then hit OK, and then click scale 1:1. Yeah, so this one without the vertical line. So we're going to create the vertical line now. I'll show you how to do that one in Tekla structure template editor. Actually, this one you can also create it directly in Tekla structure editor using the line. But of course, if you have the AutoCAD, then we can insert that one. So all you have to do is export it. Oh, sorry, ungroup it, and then select, and then we'll change this one to color black. Now, uh, you will notice here that this vertical line, okay, is not a continuous line. It's a cut line. Okay, it's a cut line. Why? Because the top part, I want to put the title there. Okay, and then the bottom part will be the description. Sorry, I need to add also the header here. Sorry, header. So this one must be in header. I'll cut this one and then put that one on header first. So I mistakenly add the part before the header. So let's leave the part here, and then we'll do the header first. Okay. So look at this. If you notice, this vertical line are not continuous. Why? Because I want to offset only the bottom part to divide this this length so that I can put my description. Okay, so the first description is revision, item, quantity, description, material, and net. So what I will do here is I'm going to press Control D, and then you will see there the duplicate object. There is an offset of horizontal and vertical. So horizontal, it's going to left or right. Negative going to left, positive going to right. Vertical going up and down. So I need to copy that one to the right side. So I'm going to put here 15, enter. All right, Control D again, and then type here 15. Control D, 15. And then Control D. So let's say we put 80. And then Control D, we put 35. Yeah. So this is what we're going to use. Or maybe the last part will be Control D, we'll put 45. So sorry, maybe 40. 40. Yeah. Okay, so next is we're going to add the text, which is the material list. So material list, put it here. This time I can change this one to whatever font I like. Let's say Arial, Arial bold, and then let's say 4. Okay, so this one is my material list. And then, okay, look at this one. If I put the text here, rev, okay, and then put it here. So again, I'm going to change this one to Arial, but the normal one. Apply. So set default for new text. Okay, revision. So if I continue, copy, paste, and then put here, this one will be item. Okay, paste. This one is quantity. Paste. This one will be description. Paste. This one is material spec. And lastly, the weight. Okay, so you can put that one at the center between the line. So this one, move center. And then to align this text, you can select all by picking one by one and then right click on it. And then you can see here, align bottom. So that one will be aligned. Okay, so it will not be in a different level. So you have now the material list. So all you have to do is select this and then copy and then paste it here. And then Control G, meaning that one will be a group. So the reason why I pick Control G, so if I select that one will be one group. And the trick here is to make this one align. Okay, to make this one align. Because look, if I select this one and then put it this way, I'm not sure that this one is aligned unless you are in the, if your grid is open or if your grid is on, then it will snap to grid, right? But here, the trick here is simple. All you have to do is to move this one beyond that corner. Okay, look, move this one beyond that corner and then release the mouse. Again, this one, move beyond the corner and release the mouse. So now, I'm sure that that one will be straight line, right? So now you can crop component height, crop component right side. So now it fits, see? It fits. And right click, crop component height. So you can now start adding the value field here, item, quantity, description. So meaning the item, I think this item is the part mark. Okay, item is the part mark here. So put the part mark, part position, hit OK. So this one is too big. So let's put this at 3. Okay, and then 5, apply. Okay. So this one is the part mark, and then of course for the part mark you need to put that one as ascending, and then quantity. Quantity again is the number of objects here, and sum within one row. And the description here will be profile. So part profile here. And then you can change this one to so that's the part profile. And then material specs, that one is material. Later on, we're going to modify the material database, okay? So you can change this one, whatever is needed. Okay, and lastly, the weight. And 2 decimal. Apply. Okay, and then select, right click, align, bottom. And that's it. So you need to save this one to C, settings, and then this one will be DM mat list. Okay, and hit OK. So kindly do this one, and then we're going to add this one to our layout later. Okay, so do this one first, and we will add this to layout. So what I did here is almost similar to the report that we did yesterday, right? The report exactly the same. The only thing, this one is under the graphical template. So nothing much new. The next step is, of course, after you save, you need to go to the Tekla structure here, and then, okay, in Tekla structure, if you created already the drawing, you can directly open the drawing and edit there, or you can just simply modify that one under this drawing properties and drawing layout editor. So here, properties, drawing and reports, drawing layout editor, and then here you can now select the the DM assembly drawing and open it. So this is the DM assembly drawing. So look, from here, of course, here as you can see, it doesn't show the whole title block if you modify directly to the layout editor. So maybe what I will do is I'm going to open the drawing. Okay, so this is the other way of doing it. Open the drawing, one of the drawing, this one. So here, I can just simply select this template and right click open layout editor. Okay, so this is another way. So that when you open, it shows the title block. So it shows the whole title block, so meaning you can easily use that one as your reference. So now add table, then look for the DM material list. So this one, DM material list. Select and then pick that one at the top. And then there you go. So it goes there. But again, this one is for A1, so I need to change this material list to scale to 0.5. Okay, so now it's correct. And then all I have to do is right click and then move somewhere here. And there you go. So this one now is your material list. It's placed already in the proper position. So all you have to do is to close layout editor, save, and that's it. So you have now this refresh template material list. So here W310 by 97, this is the weight, and this one is FL. So let's look for the column. So here, this is for the column. So the quantity 1, 1, I think the quantity here is wrong. So let's see, let's check this one. It's already some within one row. It's okay. I don't know why it's the quantity seems wrong. The quantity of this one, so I have F3, F3, F3. So the quantity of this one must be more. Okay. So let's
So
see.
I didn't. The one need to put some the all row.
All rows.
The one thing.
Let's try. So that one is the in case that uh, yeah, here. In case that it doesn't sum it up, so you can go back to the template, and then here you look for this one, some values within one rows or some all across all rows. So it's either these two, either of the two. So you can try that one, save, and then here when you refresh, then you can see the number will change. So this is how you add the material list. Did you get it? How to add? Okay, so add that one, and then after that, uh, we're going to create the logo, and then we make it. We will create a rules inside the logo. Okay, so I will show you how to create the rule enable for us to change the logo in our title block. Okay, so do this one now. Okay, now for our logo creation, okay, for a different company, again, I have to create a graphical template and make this one 0, 0, 0, and then 0. Okay, and then insert row. You can insert actually drawing part, or let's use a part here, and then I'm going to insert now the uh, the file, the DWG file, which is this Exxon logo. Okay, and put it here. Scale 1:1. Then there you go. So this one, okay, I'm going to explode this one again. Explode or ungroup, and then maybe I'll just remove this one. Okay, and then I will right click and then group this so that I can move it here. And let me delete this one and then change this to black. So I have my first logo. So here I'll change this one to black as well. Okay, so this is my first logo. So what I will do is, again, I'm going to select this, and this, and then group so that I can copy that one later. So now, once I have this logo, I can create another part. Okay, I'm going to create another part. Hit OK, and make it sure that this part and this part is at the same line. It's not inside. That's the thing. If you copy the part and then paste it here, automatically it will go to the next level. Okay, it will go down a level. So but if you create a new part, then it will be on the same line. So this one, I'm going to copy this, copy, and then paste it here. And then what is the next client? So I will choose text here, then I'll type here DM. Okay, so here I can now change this one to a bigger font, maybe 15, and then Arial bold, apply. So if that one is not enough, then you can change this one to 20, and then change this one to blue. Okay, so this one is your DM, as simple as that. And then you can now type and change this one to 5. So something like this. So I have the second logo. Next is again add another part here, another row as a part. Okay, so this time Again, copy this one, paste it here, and then again, if you notice here, again, it's same line. So this time you're going to insert picture and then look for the logo here. Let's say Tekla structure logo, and then 1, 2. There you go. So you can increase that one, increase it. So you have now the Tekla structure logo. And then next is select this one and then move here, select, move beyond the line so that it will be on the same line. So crop, component height, crop, component height, crop, component height. And lastly, crop right side. So they are all aligned. Now, we need to create the rules so that it will show whatever whenever we type the name of the logo. So you can decide where you want to put the name. So that when you put the name on that particular parameter, the logo will pop up in your title block. So here, okay, if since I already okay, maybe I will just simply change this one to 200 so that I can before I crop so that I can select the content row. Okay, so double click on this under the wizard. Okay, under the wizard, okay. I'm going to use the project properties. Under this project, I will use the project description. Okay, project description. Or I can use the builder. Which one is which one you like? Builder or description? Or maybe the builder. I'll choose the builder. Now, the rule goes something like this. Show row if the project builder is equals to the first one is Exxon. So I will type here double quotation mark Exxon and hit OK, apply and OK. So this one will work. This one will show if I type Exxon in the builder. Next, I'm going to repeat the procedure. Double click here. Again, go back to the project and then look for the builder. And this time I will type here Dynama or Dyna. But you make it sure that you remember the keyword. Because if you say Dyna here and then you type in the builder Dynama, then it will not work. So make it sure that it matches. So here, apply and OK. So lastly, this one, going back to the wizard. So builder again, project properties, builder, and then type here Tekla. And hit OK, apply and OK, and then crop right side and then save. Save to our firm folder. This time I'll type here dm underscore logos. Hit OK, and that's it. So now we can now save again and then go to the drawing. So from here, I'll just open layout editor. Okay, and then I will add the tables, logos. So I'll put it here. All right, and of course that one should be 0.5. This one should be 0.5. Maybe. Okay, and then close layout editor and then save. So let's check this one first. So you can now refresh this template, nothing there. Nothing. Why? Okay, if I close this one and then go back to my project properties, builder, under the builder, because the builder is Trimble. So which one you want? Let's say Exxon. Exxon. Modify, and then open the drawing. Exxon. Okay, and then next, next. So you can see here Exxon, right? Now, if I close this one, let's say for example, the project now I'm doing is Dynamac. So project, type here Dyna. Modify. So you can change that logo very easy. DM. Next, next. Okay. And lastly, if you type here project properties, Tekla, modify, and then open the drawing. There you go. So Tekla structure, and Tekla structure. And that's it. So that's how you put rules in our logo inside the title block. Okay? All right.